Welcome to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I want to welcome you to our virtual showroom here. My name is Al Lucchino. I'm the owner of the dealership. This is a 30-year family-owned dealership, and I've got a almost brand new, it's a pre-owned 418-mile Lowrider ST. That's right, only 418 miles. This is an awesome motorcycle. I want to first walk you through the Lowrider ST and what it offers, and then I'm going to walk you through this motorcycle and some of the accessories that are on it that add tremendous extra value for you. First of all, 418 miles, it's brand new, it's still under factory warranty. The motorcycle comes, the ST gives you a sporting lowrider with longer legs than standard. What I mean by that is we've got a fairing here. It's aerodynamic. You can ride and cut the wind, less fatigue. You've got generous weatherproof saddlebags here, so again, you can carry luggage. It's a great all-around sport touring motorcycle. That's the function of the ST. The ST comes with a heavy breather air cleaner and a Milwaukee 8 117, and we've got the higher output version here now with 2025 with the 2-into-1 exhaust. So I believe we're at approximately, my recollection is 114 horsepower out the box. There's more for the taking if you want to utilize our dyno services here at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. We have a DynoJet 250i right behind me, and we can test, tune, and bring this up. We've had bikes easily exceed 140 rear wheel horsepower here at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. Now, the ST comes with floorboards. Some of the optional extras on this one include the engine guard with built-in footrests. We've got passenger pegs or saddlebag guards, however you want to call them. They're on the bike. We've got a very high-end Saddlemen gel seat on the motorcycle. So this is a gorgeous bike. It's in vivid black with black wrinkle engine and trim, and it is gorgeous with the red accents. Just a stunningly beautiful motorcycle. So 418 miles, sells for just under $24K. Financing is available for qualified buyers. Come on down, let's take this lowrider out for a ride. Take advantage. The Saddlemen seat alone adds $750 in value to this motorcycle. So we've got a great machine, and remember, it's still under factory warranty for you. So wherever you are in the country, wherever you're seeing this video, doesn't matter, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Texas, the warranty is transferable throughout the United States. Our number is 203-730-2453. And I want to point out to you, one of our most popular items, Harley-Davidson of Danbury, is a factory-authorized Jekyll and Hyde exhaust system. That's a multi-mode exhaust with quiet, medium, and loud, all controlled by an electronic button on the hand control. This bike doesn't have it, but it is available for this motorcycle. Jekyll and Hyde is made in Holland, very high-quality exhaust, and very, very popular at Harley-Davidson of Danbury with our customers. So come on around. This motorcycle, again, pointing out some of the highlights, beautiful vivid black paint, high-quality Michelin tires on it, dual disc brakes, inverted fork for precise handling, sharp control, great response to your handlebar inputs, ABS, traction control, slipper clutch. It's fully equipped. You've got a monoshock type of system. The new Softail frame is lighter and more rigid than the old Softail frame, so we've got a better handling machine for you as well. And best of all, fuel injection, no gas valve, no choke, no hiccup, no coughing, no sputtering, 6-speed transmission, and a belt final drive. The belt drive is the best drive system ever conceived, in my opinion, for a street motorcycle because it's quiet, clean, and virtually maintenance-free. So again, financing's available on this motorcycle for approved borrowers. Come on down and see us at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. We're open Tuesday through Friday, 10 to 6, and Saturdays, 10 to 4. Thank you for watching.